एक आइडिया से लेकर जो प्रोडक्ट होता है, जो वो रोल आउट होता है यूजर्स तक, राइट? तो उसके बीच की पूरी जर्नी क्या रहती है? हाउ टू बिल्ड केस स्टडीज और पोर्टफोलियोज बिफोर एंटरिंग टू द फील्ड, क्योंकि अगर हम एचआर को रीच आउट कर रहे हैं, मे बी थ्रू लिंक्डइन और मे बी थ्रू डिफरेंट प्लेटफॉर्म्स, सो वहां पर हमारी अप्रोच क्या होनी चाहिए? देयर आर मेनी प्लेटफॉर्म्स लाइक लिंक्डइन और मे बी डिफरेंट जॉब पोर्टल्स, राइट? बट are they actually worthy where we can apply and get a chance for having an interview with the team? और हमें कुछ डिफरेंट अप्रोच कर लेनी चाहिए, कुछ डिफरेंट तरीके से अप्रोच करना चाहिए. So Sia, like tell me more about the why product management. Like there are many fields, right? आपने product management ही क्यों चूज किया? अगर आज के टाइम पर कोई भी स्टूडेंट अगर product management में अपना करियर बनाना चाहता है, तो what he or she needs to be aware of the skill sets or maybe the roadmap. So इसके बारे में थोड़ा सा explain.
So it's like a answer is something that आप कहीं भी किसी कंपनी में जाते हो, right? And whenever you see any product or something, so you see that product, but you don't know the behind the picture is who is managing the entire thing, because there are a lot of stakeholders which is included in building the product. For example, अगर आप कोई ऐप देख रहे हो या हम गाड़ी का एग्जाम्पल लेते हैं, राइट? या हम किसी ई कॉमर्स वेबसाइट का एग्जाम्पल लेते हैं, तो दीज आर द प्रोडक्ट्स ओनली, right? And there are a lot of teams that are included. For example, marketing, sales, technical. The person who manage everything, the person who manage end-to-end product thing is a must part. That's why product manager is a very important role in any company right now. And you must have seen from last 4-5 years, this career is boom, because company has realized it that we need a one person who can manage everything. You know, who can take all the requirements, सारी पूरी जो इन सब चीज़ों को मैनेज कर रहा है. पहले अलग अलग लोग मैनेज करते थे, तो which used to create, you know, बहुत सारी हसल होती थी, timelines का issue आता था, but now there is a person who is responsible for everything. And people think that product manager is a very easy job, but trust me, you have to manage a lot of people and you have an entire responsibility. Now let's talk about the skill set. I get a lot of messages on LinkedIn that we want to switch our career into product management. मुझे भी product management में जाना है. Tell me. In fact, I was just talking to my friend. She was also telling me मुझे product management में move होना है. In fact, when I started my career, I was not a product manager at that time. So that's why I can tell easily that how can you become a product manager? What skill set that you require? The first skill set that a product manager should have, a good people management, because here you are managing a lot of people from a different team, different kind of a mindset people, from a content, from design, from marketing, each and every finance. आपको हर किसी से बात करनी होती है. So people management is something which you should have. According to me, a product manager should be a good analyzer, because बहुत बार ऐसा होता है कि बहुत सारे लोग उस चीज़ को एनालाइज नहीं कर पाते, but for us, हम छोटी छोटी चीज़ों को एनालाइज करके we make a lot of difference from A to B. The person who has a good thought process, जिसका थोड़ा सा creative mind हो, someone who can think beyond. So ये सारे skill set होते हैं जो कि एक product manager में होने ही चाहिए, according to me, if you really want to become a good product manager. Because how your product request, the sprint planning, the roadmap, how you create the PRDs, these are the things which you can easily learn. These are not very things कि भाई ये तो हम नहीं सीख सकते, हम बहुत अच्छे सीख सकते हैं, मैंने भी सीखी है. And that you learn with the times. And of course, you should know technical things also, the normal technical things, the APIs, the how code works and all. आपको बहुत ज़्यादा knowledge नहीं होनी चाहिए, but you should have some kind of a knowledge so that आप at least judge कर सको about the timeline and all. So these are the, I mean, according to me, if someone asks me that what are the things that a product manager should have, I think these are the things जो कि होनी ही चाहिए. Rest, lot of things you can learn with the time. For a fresher, I'm saying.
Why product management is clear, right? तो अभी what is product management? क्या होता है product management, right? आप एक बार इसको थोड़ा सा डिटेल में बताना कि let's say एक आइडिया से लेकर जो प्रोडक्ट होता है, जो वो रोल आउट होता है यूजर्स तक, राइट? तो उसके बीच की पूरी जर्नी क्या रहती है? तो यू कैन डिस्क्राइब दैट, लाइक व्हाट इज प्रोडक्ट.
Just give me an example of a product कि हम उसी प्रोडक्ट के बारे में will talk about it.
Okay, let's choose Zomato or maybe Flipkart. You can choose any one of it.
Let's take an example of Amazon.
Okay.
Amazon, what Amazon was doing before, they used to sell the books and all, right? So they decided to get into the marketplace. Now the idea came into the picture that we should have in one app जहाँ पे जितने भी छोटे छोटे ब्रांड्स हैं हम ऑनलाइन मार्केट प्लेस शुरू करते हैं, राइट? द आइडिया केम इनटू द पिक्चर. And you know, India में 99% people has an idea, a lot of ideas people have. But why they are not able to succeed sometimes of course investment and all, but a lot of time the right execution at the right time. Now execution is a product management, I can say in a simple words, right? For example, so we were talking about the Amazon came into the picture. They decided that will create an online marketplace, right? This idea came into the picture. Now ab uski planning, the product management is something where the planning, development, launching, testing, managing the product after the deployment, these are the entire thing which comes under the product management, right? Idea आपके दिमाग में आया, आप business ने वो idea discuss करा, how we want to do that, market research करी, right? अब उस idea को execute करवाना है हमें. आपकी जो मोबाइल ऐप है वो किस तरीके से होनी चाहिए, क्या क्या उसमें चीजें होनी चाहिए. We create an MVP. हम एक मिनिमल एक MVP बनाते हैं where we create things की जो कि हम right now market में launch कर सकें. हम उसकी पूरी planning करते हैं. So this is product management. तो यहाँ से product management की पूरी picture शुरू होती है that we plan कि what are the features that we should have in our product. Then we do the research कि क्या क्या what is going on in the market and all. जहाँ पे marketing team involved होती है, business team involved होती है. Now the planning is done. Now it's time for the execution. Execution कौन करेगा? The technical people only, right? And the technical people are someone जिनको हमें पूरी requirement देनी होती है, which we take from the business side. We take the requirement from the business side. We make the PRDs. हम एक document बनाते हैं which we call PRDs. We give it to the development. Now development starts. Development team will work on that requirement that we give. किस तरीके से होना चाहिए, फिर उसके बाद में तो टेस्टिंग, देन डिप्लॉयमेंट. Cycle that you're talking about is how it works when the product is live. That again it's our responsibility, because if everything comes, then it's our responsibility to take care of that particular thing, that everything is working fine or not. So कभी कभी Instagram down हो जाता है, so they go to directly the product manager only. क्या हो गया?
Understood.
How the product management thing, then what is the product management? If you nutshell, if I'll tell you, the managing the entire product from scratch to end is a simple word.
When I decided to design the application, right, so I have learned all of these skill set by myself, right? So that time I decided, okay, let's build a mobile application so that it would help more and more users, like scalability. So that's the time when I decided, okay, let's learn about product management. And I understand the things like, okay, you mentioned about PRDs, like the product requirement documents, right? So these are very essential when you give it to the, maybe the design team or maybe the technical team, where they can understand, okay, these are the things I have to build. As a user, if I am clicking on this particular thing, what would be the functionality that is being showcased through this product? Okay, so now my question would be is ki, let's say कि कोई students है, right? And maybe students हो गए, working professionals हो गए, who want to maybe start their career, so maybe want to switch their careers respectively into product management. Like उनको क्या एक journey लेनी चाहिए? Like आप अपनी journey थोड़ी सी explain करो कि आप you mentioned, right? You are not from product management initially, but over the period of time, how would you like to get that role? So आप अपनी journey को थोड़ा सा यहाँ पर.
I'll explain in very simple words where if you want to really come at product management, then one thing that you should be aware that reading, you have to know what's going on in the market right now, what's the new technology that's in the market, and you have to read a lot. For example, when I changed my career from HR to product management, I was in HR for 1 year, but then I decided to change my career to product management. And that time, there were not as such lot of certification and everything was there. There was kind of a certificate. I, as another student, I also thought of, doing that. But before that, I thought, let's see, understand that what is actually a product. Then I used to open an app. I used to take open Uber app, Swiggy, and do the research that why this button is here, why this search is here, why they are showing here. So I have done a lot of research about the particular app, and I used to read about it, how the Swiggy has started their journey. I used to read a lot. That was the key, because जब आपके पास information होती है, then only you can, आप कहीं पे भी interview देने जाते हो, you can share your information if you have. And when you read about a lot of things, तब आपको बहुत सारी चीजें you learn. As I said before also, कि ये जो sprint planning होती है, these are the things, something जो कि आप आराम से you can easily learn by reading a book, by easily doing छोटा सा course भी आप सीख सकते हो. आजकल तो there are a lot of university provide the product management course. So ये सब चीजें you can learn. But जो actual चीज होती है वो you learn when you do a lot of research, when you learn about what's going on currently in the market. You see a lot of website and you see that कि यार ये चीज there is a common thing which is there in each website. ये चीज हर ऐप में है. So it means then you see ki why this is there. I learned like that. When I was switching my career, I was from the HR background. I am a BTech student. उस time पे जब I was just switching my career, I given a lot of interviews. By giving the interviews only, I have done a lot of research about the companies की एक point पे I think I knew everything जो एक साल के बंदे को पता होता है. Yeah, I will suggest people to don't go for any certification right now. Don't spend a lot of money on the certification. Instead of learn, research any skills. If I would say, then like we should know how to create a wireframe. Then you can learn this thing.
Understand. So this was my next question. Basically, you already mentioned about the soft skills or maybe the skills like good people management or analyzing capacity should be great, or we think out of the box idea should be there. But I want to understand more about on the terms of like what are the technical skills or the hard skills that students or maybe candidates who want to switch their career into PM roles would have to understand or maybe would have to learn.
Basic tool that we use to manage for the product management is like everybody has heard about it. Jira. Jira का सबने सुना ही होगा.
Absolutely.
Trello. तो ये जो tools होते हैं ना, इन tools के बारे में आपको पता होना चाहिए. And now you will think कि हम जब कंपनी में गए नहीं है अभी तक तो हमें पता कैसे होगा. बहुत सारे there are a lot of YouTube channels जो यहाँ पे आपको you just have to simply go and आपको बस देखना है how the flow works. So whenever you will get into a new company, it will be easier for you. So this is the project management tools, which is the must thing that every product manager should know. Second is something where we create the designs. So I personally use Figma and Canva for the creating the wireframe and all, because if you are not able to show the designers what's is in your mind, आप बताओगे कि आपको develop क्या करवाना है, आप बताओगे कि आपको design क्या करवाना है, तो वो clarity आपके दिमाग में होना चाहिए. And the clarity representation that we call एक wireframe जो हम बनाते हैं, उसके लिए there are tools. Figma. I think Figma is something in which every company use. So Figma you can easily learn. Same, आप YouTube पे जाओ, go check the basic things. Free trial लेके for 7 days you can learn. You can learn how we can make. And apart from the product management thing, because we have to make a lot of flows. हमें बहुत सारे flow बनाने होते हैं, right? We have to make a lot of charts and all. These are the basic things. I personally use Draw.io. That is the one.
Or maybe you can use
website that I use. Miro.
Yeah, Miro. Yeah, absolutely.
I use that also. And uske liye you can easily create the charts and all, which is something key. Again, because you have to show what's in your mind, then you have to create the entire flow. आप flow में ही चीजों को बता सकते हो. And then this is your planning. This is what you want to build. And apart from this, आपको APIs की knowledge होनी चाहिए. Basic knowledge that how APIs work. तो उसके लिए there is a tool Postman जो कि like again lot of company use. So APIs के लिए you can again just learn how the get post APIs work. What is the meaning of get? What is the meaning of post? हम किस तरीके से work करता है. Basically ये technical knowledge, database, tables की तरीके से होती है. Like आपको SQL की, I am not saying that you should know entire thing, but आपको SQL की इतनी knowledge होनी चाहिए कि आप select query लगा के if you want to see any data, वो basic data देख सकते. So these are the things for someone who wanted to start their career. I think these are the things a person should learn if they really want to switch their career, if they really want to start their career in the product management. And ये सारी चीजें they are not something कि you cannot learn. आप Google पे everything is available.
So अगर मैं इसको थोड़ा सा समराइज करूँ तो सबसे पहले प्रोडक्ट मैनेजमेंट के लिए हमें 3-4 कैटेगरीज को डिवाइड कर लेना है. फर्स्ट इज सॉफ्ट स्किल्स एंड सेकंड इज हार्ड स्किल्स, राइट? सॉफ्ट स्किल्स के अंदर हम लोग बात कर लेते हैं कि हमें गुड पीपल मैनेजमेंट होना चाहिए, एनालाइजिंग कैपेसिटी अच्छी होनी चाहिए. मे बी हम कुछ ऐसे देख से टुडे मोस्ट ऑफ दी जो प्रोडक्ट्स होते हैं, सर्विसेज होती हैं, वो ऐप्स या वेबसाइट्स के थ्रू केटर होते हैं. सो टू अंडरस्टैंड दैट कि अगर हमें टेक्निकल एस्पेक्ट भी पता होनी चाहिए, राइट? इन टर्म्स ऑफ टेक्निकल एस्पेक्ट की बात करो तो हम APIs क्या होती हैं, वेब हुक्स क्या होते हैं, डेटाबेसेस क्या होते हैं, राइट? इनकी बेसिक अंडरस्टैंडिंग होनी चाहिए कि डेटा कैसे रिट्रीव हो रहा है, डेटा कैसे जा रहा है, किस तरीके से आप उसको प्रेजेंट कर सकते हो और रीड कर सकते हो. एंड मेरी इन टर्म्स ऑफ अगर हम एनालिटिक्स की बात करें तो अगर वेबसाइट्स या फिर एप्स के केस में तो वी मे नो अबाउट बिग टूल्स लाइक हॉटजार, माइक्रोसॉफ्ट क्लैरिटी या गूगल एनालिटिक्स टू अंडरस्टैंड यूजर्स बिहेवियर ऑल्सो, कि यूजर्स किस तरीके से मूव कर रहे हैं ऑल अक्रॉस द वेबसाइट. एंड यू ऑल्सो मेंशन अबाउट
यू शुड नो कहाँ पे आपको डेटा चेक करना है, फनल्स आपको कहाँ लगाने.
एब्सोल्युटली. And you already mentioned about the
something.
design part. So for design, Figma is the best tool. Like I also use Figma, and Figma works best, right? Maybe for wireframing and for prototyping. So this is all about like एक product को किस तरीके से होना चाहिए and कौन-कौन से skill sets हमें आने चाहिए, right? To get into the PMO. Now the most important question is कि how to build case studies or portfolios before entering to the field. Like, क्योंकि अगर हम HR को reach out कर रहे हैं, maybe through LinkedIn or maybe through different platforms. So वहाँ पर हमारी अप्रोच क्या होनी चाहिए, लाइक पोर्टफोलियोज में किन चीजों पर ध्यान रखना चाहिए, हमें केस स्टडीज कैसे करनी चाहिए, थोड़ा सा इस पे आप एनलाइटन करो.
In that case, about the case studies and all, I can share my experience. So when I used to reach out to the companies, so I used to research about the particular company product, what they are doing. Then when I reached out to them, I generally start the conversation about this, that what their product is doing, and as a product manager, how can I improve their product? So sometimes whenever you share these kind of things, sometimes it happens that they are not even responding, because a lot of time HR actually don't care about the case studies and all. Because HR is someone who will see the skills and all. So whatever the resume that you are built, तो आपको ये सारी जो भी हम we talked about the soft skills, we talked about the hard skills. जितने भी skills हमने ये note down करी है, ये तो आपको अपने resume में डालनी to get shortlisted at least in the resume. Now, if I talk about the HR thing, they generally HR ask the simple questions. That they just ask, do you know about this thing? Do you know about what is API? Do you know what is database? Do you know what is this? Do you know what is this? And we simply say yes. A lot of times, if we don't know, we say yes, because we know there's going to be a one more round, which is the actual round. Right. Now, before giving any kind of interview, and like you mentioned, the case study and portfolio, I think what is the best thing that a person can do, if they are particularly reaching about that company, they should know entire thing about the company, कि how कैसे क्या ये लोग actually the SaaS product है, D2C है, क्या करते हैं ये लोग, ताकि you can आपके पास बोलने के लिए बहुत कुछ, और आप अपनी केस स्टडी पोर्टफोलियो में अपनी रिसर्च डाल सकते हो जो आपने एक प्रोडक्ट के लिए करी है, जहाँ पे you can give this was the ये issue I find out, I think this can be solved like that, this is my point of view. ये आप कर सकते हो. बट आई पर्सनली मैंने कभी अपनी रिज्यूमे में केस स्टडी और पोर्टफोलियो डाला नहीं है. जस्ट सिंपली राइट द स्किल्स एंड ऑल, बिकॉज द एक्चुअल थिंग इज स्टार्ट व्हेन यू गेट सेकंड राउंड में जब आप जाते हो, उसके लिए यू शुड बी प्रिपेयर कि कंपनी क्या करती है, बिकॉज दे आर गोइंग टू आस्क यू अ लॉट ऑफ क्वेश्चंस अबाउट अराउंड द कंपनी एंड द इंडस्ट्री. आप SaaS बेस में जा रहे हो तो यू शुड नो हाउ द SaaS बेस, हाउ क्लाइंट डीलिंग, दीज थिंग्स. Yeah, that's what I can say, I think, about this thing. Because मैंने कभी, to be honest, resume के लिए कभी case studies and वो नहीं बनाया. Portfolio, as I said, you should mention these skills that you, like product management, people management, stakeholder management, client handling, task management. These are the soft and hard skills that you already mentioned. These are the skills that you can mention and yeah, in your portfolio, right? And of course, if you want to make it more impressive, then do a research, come up with some problem, mention that how you can give the solution and all. Yeah.
Understood. And you mentioned about the second round, right? We are so I just want to know more about like the round में किस तरह के questions पूछे जाते हैं. I know that there are a lot of channels like TriExpo and on LinkedIn where we get the information related to that, कि estimates होते हैं. But I would try to understand कि इंडिया में किस तरीके से जो प्रोडक्ट मैनेजमेंट लैंडस्केप है, यहाँ पर किस तरह से कंसीडर किए जाते हैं चीजें. तो आप थोड़ा सा उसको एलैबोरेट करो कि what type of questions generally the HR asked the candidates who were and like to enter into product management.
Second round में.
Second round, I'm talking about second round, where जहाँ पे specifically product management से related questions.
After HR, okay, product manager ही interview लेता है, right?
Right.
So if you are a person, then they are going to ask you about your product, what you are doing. And if you are a fresher, okay, अगर आप fresher हो, like in fact I have taken an interview in a university by my own. Okay. Where it was a kind of a viva, it was supposed to taken for a fresher. So I can tell that what kind of questions they will give you a situation. Like I used to give a situation कि अगर आप Instagram के product manager होते, या अगर आप for example Zoom के product manager होते, LinkedIn के product manager होते, what is the one that you want to change? इसमें कुछ right और wrong answer नहीं. इसमें generally people ask to know your knowledge, कि आपको कितना पता है चीजों के बारे में. Are you only using Instagram for the reels only, और आप Instagram को as a product भी देख रहे हो कि नहीं देख रहे?
Absolutely.
Generally ये सारी चीजें पूछते हैं. Guesstimate is like everybody asks the guesstimate questions कि if you are in a Gurgaon, how many people are booking the cab? These are something which lot of people ask me, that's why I know, right? And just to check the thought process also, like what I ask, I give us kind of a case study only कि आप के प्रोडक्ट मैनेजर हो और आपको पता चला कि सडनली आपका कस्टमर एंगेजमेंट 30% गिर गया है, आप क्या करो? अगेन इन सारे क्वेश्चंस क्वेश्चंस आई एम टेलिंग यू, ये फ्रेशर से भी आस्क, एंड देयर इज नो राइट एंड रॉन्ग आंसर. ये इन क्वेश्चंस का कोई राइट एंड रॉन्ग आंसर होता ही नहीं है. ये क्वेश्चंस इसलिए पूछे जाते हैं जस्ट टू सी व्हाट इज योर थॉट प्रोसेस, हाउ इट जनरली इट वर्क्स. आप कितने जल्दी सॉल्यूशन, आप व्हाट इज योर अप्रोच, आर यू अ सॉल्यूशन ओरिएंटेड पर्सन, आप सॉल्यूशंस के लिए क्या क्या जनरली करते हो. तो जब इस तरह के क्वेश्चंस पूछते हैं, द लॉट ऑफ पीपल व्हाट दे डू, वो खुद सुनने लग जाते हैं. बट एक्चुअली में उनको पहले हमसे क्वेश्चन पूछना चाहिए कि आप पहले कितना एंगेजमेंट, फिर क्या क्या हुआ, किस किस तरीके से हुआ, क्या टाइमिंग थी. तो ये छोटी छोटी चीजें होती है जहाँ पे आपका जो थॉट प्रोसेस है और एनालिटिकल माइंड है, वी चेक. एंड अगेन for the people management we ask, there is a one developer who is very rigid, not work, giving time on time, so what you will do. ये तो बहुत questions होते हैं. These are the questions that I asked from a product manager who is just fresher, who just completed their MBA in the product management. So I used to ask these kind of questions. So there are some freshers who give good answers.
So, like, next question would be how to get more interviews opportunities. Right? I know there are many platforms like LinkedIn or maybe the different job portals, right? But are they actually worthy where we can apply and get a chance or having an interview with the team? और हमें कुछ डिफरेंट अप्रोच लेनी चाहिए, कुछ डिफरेंट तरीके से अप्रोच करना चाहिए, to get more interview opportunities.
So I was in HR, तो I think मैं आपको इसका आंसर I can give you a lot of CVs that were received. हम used to receive a lot of CVs. There is one person जिसने simply अपना CV भेज दिया है. There is another person जिसने elaborate चीजें मेल पे properly that I have experienced this, I've been doing this, I have done internship in this. तो अगर मैं HR के point of view से बताऊं तो वो आपको जल्दी अट्रैक्ट करती है. Someone has elaborate the entire की अब मैं इसमें काम करता था, मैंने ये किया है, these are my achievements. अगर if you are experienced, if you are a fresher, then you can tell about your internship, your college experience and all. This is something if you are mailing someone, if you have a direct mail ID. अगर आप LinkedIn पे approach कर रहे हो, तो LinkedIn पे if you really want to approach someone, first find out the people who are working in that company. Reach out to them on LinkedIn. ठीक है? Just write a proper message that what you are looking for, why you are looking for, and share your resume with the entire thing. उससे क्या होगा कि आपकी, क्योंकि 300 लोग अप्लाई कर रहे हैं उस प्रोफाइल पे, राइट? अगर फॉर एग्जाम्पल मेरी कंपनी में ओपनिंग है प्रोडक्ट मैनेजर की और कोई रिज्यूमे मेरे पास डायरेक्टली आ रहा है, तो ऑफ कोर्स आई लुक इनटू दैट रिज्यूमे कि अच्छा someone has shared this resume with me, let me look into this. Or if the person is someone which I'm actually looking for, then of course, because eventually I'm the person who is going to take that interview, maybe my colleague will going to take the interview, or maybe someone else going to take the interview, but I can give the reference of that person. So I think this reference, the networking things works really well. So instead of directly applying, I think you should try some another method. That's because a lot of people are applying every day. This is just a simple click that you have to do. And HR doesn't have a time to look into the entire thing. So वो कहाँ देखेगा? वो वही देखेगा ना जो उसको easily, मतलब जो eye catching होगा उसके लिए simple, या फिर जो interesting होगा maybe.
So there, I have asked almost all the questions related to like product management, like how students can enter into this field or things like that. Thank you so much for your time.